In this video, I will be showing you how to set up and run your Kotlin program in Visual Studio Code. So for this, we need to install Java JDK as well as the Kotlin compiler. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Java JDK. We'll be getting from Oracle. Just select it. And here we will be having Java JDK for different versions. I will just go with JDK 26 and select the operating system to Windows. Here we are having the installer. Just select this. The download will be getting started. This is around 189 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the Java setup. Select next. This is going to be the default location where Java will be installed. If you want to change it, click on change and select a different location. Just click on next. The installation will begin. Just be patient. Once it is done, just click on close. And if you go to search and open command prompt and type Java space -- version, we'll be having the Java version as 26, which is the one that we installed now. We are good here. Next, let's go and download the Kotlin compiler. So for that, just search for Kotlin download. We'll be having the first link from kotlinlang.org. Click it and close this. Here we will be having the documentation. Click on language guide, and to the left we will be having this compiler and plugins. Expand it. Select Kotlin compiler. Click on command line compiler, and if you scroll down, here we are having the way to install the latest Kotlin compiler. Here we are having the GitHub release. We need to just download the zip file. Just click here, and if you scroll down, here we are having that Kotlin compiler.zip. Click it. It will be getting downloaded. This is around 79 MB in size. Now in the downloads, we will be having this. Just extract it. You just need to move this folder to some other drive. So I will just cut this, go to my local disk D and paste it. It's over here. Just open it again and go inside the bin folder. Now just copy this path, search for environment. We'll be having the edit the system environment variables. Open it, go to environment variables. So under user variables or system variables, select path, edit, new, paste it, okay, and click on OK everywhere. Now to verify this, open a new command prompt and type Kotlin C -version. We need to be getting the Kotlin version like this, which means we have correctly added the path. Next step is we need to install Visual Studio Code, and this installation is straightforward. Just search for Visual Studio Code and you will be having the first link. Just click on download for Windows, and the setup is straightforward. If you want to watch the entire tutorial on that, you can just click on the card appearing on top. So here I am having a empty folder inside Visual Studio Code. I will just create a new file and let me just name it as demo.kt. okay, .kt is the extension for Kotlin, and I will just paste this particular basic program. So it's just a simple program that adds two numbers and prints the sum. Okay, so we can install some Kotlin based extensions also. So here in extensions, just search for Kotlin. Here we are having this Kotlin, and this has around 1.4 million downloads, and these are the features that it does: debugging, linting, code completion, formatting. I guess this single extension is good. We can install it, and if you want, you can simply install this one also. Now if I go here, as you can see, the linting has been done perfectly, and we are also getting that autocomplete stuff. Yes, that's right. Now let's see how we can run this program. So I'll be showing you two ways how you can run this. One is by using the terminal way and another one is with the help of the code runner extension. So just write this command Kotlin C your file name with the extension. In my case it's demo, so demo.kt space hyphen include hyphen runtime space hyphen d space your file name dot jar. So hit enter. So we'll be getting the demo.jar file created. Next we need to view the output. So for this run the command java space hyphen jar space your file name dot jar. Hit enter. As you can see, we have got the output over here. So now let's see how we can do the same with the help of the code runner extension. For that, go to extensions and search for code runner. So code runner, you'll be having this code runner extension. Just install this one, okay? If you're having the install option, install it. And here you can see it supports these many languages and helps us to run very quickly rather than running through commands. Now to the top we'll be having this run button. So let me just change some code over here. I will go with 50. Yes. And if I simply click on this run, as you can see we have got the output. And it also literally runs the exact same command for us, but rather than us manually typing it, here we are just clicking that button. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.